Hi, this is Jenny from crafttestdummies.com, and today I want to give you a little visual demonstration of Design Adhesives double-sided pattern adhesive from ClearSnap. Now, exactly like the name implies, these are adhesive stickers basically that act kind of like a rub-on, and they come in patterns or different designs. And the one that I'm demonstrating with today say things like thanks a bunch and miss you and sending hugs. So these are great ways of adding quick little sentiments to your cards, scrapbook pages, etc. So let me show you how they work. What you're going to get are 4 sheets that look like this. And this, frankly, doesn't look like much because it's really hard to capture. But what you've got is a layer of adhesive cutouts in between 2 layers of release paper. So what I suggest you do, because I've done this a number of times and I've messed it up myself, is to kind of look and find a sentiment that you want to use. I'm going to go like this, you can't really see it, and then cut it out first. Here's the thing, if you try and take off a layer of the release paper first, you're gonna mess up your adhesive. I know because I've done it. So I'm using some little detail scissors to just isolate the best wishes sentiment that I'm going to use. By the way, it might be helpful to have a pokey tool of some kind. It just sometimes helps you get that little release paper off. And while I'm working on this, I also suggest that you keep craft stick handy or a brayer. Oop, here we go. So you really, you just can't see it on camera, but it says best wishes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down on some smooth cardstock. And I highly recommend that you use a smooth or a glossy cardstock. I would not, you could even use it on vellum actually, but you're not going to want to use it on a toothy paper, like say this watercolor paper here or handmade paper. It just won't adhere very well. So now I'm using this little rub-on tool to make sure that it's securely adhered, and I'm going to remove that bit of release paper. And it's on there. It's hard to see, but oop, there it is. You can see where now it says best wishes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of glitter, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. I'm going to rub it around just like so, and then I'm going to just brush off the excess. And now you can see where it says best wishes. So just a really simple, fun, quick, easy way of adding a little sentiment or a little design. Let me show you some other samples I've done. Here is a manila folder with, again, a little bit of glitter. What's really nice about this adhesive is that it's clear, and so if you want to work on a colored background like this manila tag or black cardstock, you're not going to see any white adhesive. So here's one that I did using black cardstock and a little bit of Pearl X powder. I think it's really gorgeous. It almost looks embossed, to tell you the truth. I just really like that look. I also tried some flocking, so it will adhere the flocking. And this is a very fine detail, and yet the flocking adhered. So, by the way, that's Stampendous flocking, in case you're interested. Here's another little tag I did. This was using a little bit of chalking. So you can actually use chalks, glitter, embossing powder. Here's one that I did, and I used foils. These are those nice vibrant pinata inks, but you can see how shiny my To From Happy Birthday and even this little thing in the middle, the little presents, those were done with Design Adhesives and some foiling. So these are a lot of fun to play with. Like I said, such a quick, easy way of adding that little spotlight of words or design to your project. And you get 4 sheets in a package, and there are a lot of little sentiments on each sheet, so I think it's a pretty good value. But in any event, I hope you enjoy this little video demonstration, and have a really crafty day.